say we've... Oh.
Hey, we're gonna show you how to do 2 webcams in your Twitch stream through Streamlabs. All you gotta do...
Using Discord.
Using Discord. All you have to do is pull up Discord, right, and call... we don't have webcams in. So the husky is me, and the cat with the glasses and not bow tie is Meg. So all you gotta do...
A pretty kitty.
...is go to your sources. You want to go window capture, and then we'll do that, and then you set your window capture to your Discord
you got
with
it already
whoever it is.
Oh,
No, different one. With whatever it is. So this is, I'm calling Meg directly, so it's Bravest Meg. And then all you have to do is crop it down.
Using Alt
crop
click.
It down, yeah, with Alt left click, and you can crop it however you want. You can get all that white. You won't have any white bits, but you can crop it down anyway. Put it off to the side, and
that's
all
my
you gotta
camera.
do
And
is
then,
do it one more time.
Yeah. If I was also sharing my screen, say Phasmophobia, like we have done in the past, then you would just crop that screen share.
And then you do it 3 times, basically. One more time. So if, let's say, for example, we do that. This is my camera. It's in the background, so there. Hold on. Stop. Every time I minimize, it's fine. You know what? It's fine. This is my camera. And so if one of us was doing that stream that wasn't me, like they were streaming it to me through Discord, we do the same thing one more time. And we would say this part is the game. And that's all you got to do. And then maybe you would want to blow it up to the full size then drag these on top.
There's 2 things. When we did it, we always had the person so if you go back into Discord, click on the one that you want to be the main focus and make that the big one, and then do your cropping from there. So
yeah,
if you
would do that.
Do the focus.
It would just be better quality for the thing.
Yeah.
We didn't do it, but you know, you could do that if you wanted to do it. Or otherwise, you know, you could just hook this up to whatever game you're playing or whatever.
The second thing is, the bad part about this setup is that if anybody joins the call, if anybody leaves the call, then
so
they get rearranged.
You need it to be private.
Private chat, or have one set up for each anticipated number of people that show up.
Yeah, well, you can just do that through, hold on, let me pull this up. You could even just do that, because this lower left is my camera, and this, unshare your screen for a second.
Okie doke.
So if it was just the 2 of us, it would be like that, right? So if we were expecting someone else, boom, we share a screen even if we're not, like, streaming it, and that would arrange our windows in such a way that when they join, we could just get rid of the stream. And
don't show me this again. Go away.
Oh god.
It was.
Oh god.
Oh, you just gave them a bad rating.
They deserved it. Anyways, that's how you do it. That's it. Really easy, super easy, and your screen could look like this too.
It looks like shit.
Yeah, well, that's... Hold on. Show the final result again. Share your screen. Share your screen. That is how it is gonna look. But with cameras
and classier.
In these, and it's gonna look a little classier. It's not just gonna be the brown background.
This was a crappy video brought to you by Megan Dan.
Yeah, hey, well, hopefully that helped. Because that's dubious at best at this point.
That's literally all we did, though.
Oh, we just passed 420. We gotta stop. Bye.
Bye.